anywhere on this gray area. And it will show you what you've done. Here's a nice pretty graph that does this, which on the, let's do, sorry, this clicking on the button doesn't really work as nicely on as your finger. It worked with if you drag your finger along. Trust me. If you were to do it on your iPhone and you have your watch and your watch has been recording your heartbeat, another graph will pop up after 5 seconds that will display your heartbeat. And this is something that I got to fix as well because there's a lot of information and I'm going to give you only the medium or find averages of every points like from here to here, blah, blah, blah. But that's science. That's future. How much pounds you have done and how the calculation is done. Some of them, though, like it has 2 dumbbells. I multiply that by 2. And because you're doing twice the work, it's only fair. Yeah. I'm going to go back to the Mac app because the Mac app, it looks prettier. You're also able to click on each one of these buttons and you're able to see what your the intensity based on the color of each one. Yeah, look at my Bulgarians though. 24 for 90 pounds. Well, it's 12 each leg. That's how I'm calculating it. But yeah. You're also able to click on start. If and this is what I do. If you'd say, what was the last time I did legs? I'm like okay, it's this long ago. What about chest? Oof, that's a little bit longer. Back? Oh, that's the longest. And it looks like back day is it. I gotta keep doing my calves because they don't move right now. If we do back, and that's the movement I select, and I'm looking at it, okay, I'm gonna do calves and back. I can start that same workout. Yeah, this is one of the movements I did. Bum, bum. Sometimes this glitch happens, just move left to right. I'll fix that as well. Probably by the time you watch this video, it'll be fixed. Low row machine, cool, but I'm not gonna get into that. That's a no-no. Also, if your buddy's like, hey, when's the last time you had a really good back workout? And you're like, man, a while back, I wish I could remember. Morto got you. So you find your peak of when your last workout is. And right now I've been using this for 105, but the peak is this one. You're like, yeah, I got a small back workout. And you're looking at it and then you're looking at the pounds or the weight that you're carrying. It's like, yeah, let's send this over. Let's share this workout. Remember that we have a unique ID in the back of our minds. That unique ID is used whenever you're sharing a workout, a whole plan. And let me actually do it from here. So boom, boom, and boom. 8 kilobytes because it has no images. If you want images on here, save it, create a plan from the workout, and then send it. Yeah. You can also copy a text for the people who have green bubbles. Why not? Why not? All right. I'm trying to please everyone, but not code and Android. Let's see. Maybe I'll get somebody in the future to port this over, or I'll do it in Rust, a different language. What is this? This is the homepage. In the homepage, you're able to do quick workouts, and you want to focus on arms, calves, and chest as an example, and you only want to do barbells and dumbbells. Select your difficulty, and then you click start, and it will select your most used movements. It will choose a couple of arms, calves, and chest, depending on the difficulty, and the amount of reps would be the last time you used it. Look at my Arnold press. Yeah, let's look what my max is. Yeah. All right, but that's not right now. Training plans. We talked about creating your. Oh no, we talked about these, but what about creating your own from scratch? Click on this button on top. Say something like summer body Monday, right? And you're gonna click on continue. What is the subtitle? By Tomas. You either click on done or save, and you are in the process of creating your own workout. So let's add, you can't go into summer without doing calves and legs, but let's do calves for now. Add it. Ba-ba-da. It's added. Let's do more. Let's do legs. What if I want to add a couple at the same time? I wonder if I have this feature working. Boom, Bulgarians. Let's start making a shopping list. Boom, this one. Boom, this one. Let's add these. Yeah. Let's just do the last thing I did for each one. Yeah. But Bulgarians. No. Let's go with my 100%. 8 times, so 4 in each leg. And we're going to do that many times, right? And from here, you're able to save it, and you'll see right here, Summer Body Monday by Tomas. 4 exercises, around 72 minutes. Very hard estimate. Very hard estimate. And let's say that I want to send it to a buddy. Stats, share workout, and I send it. Ba-bam. It works. Let's say I want to share it with images. Let's see how much that will be. 20 or 18.9, rounded to 20. Yeah. Training cycles. What are training cycles? So in the past, I have bought training plans or training workouts, and the purpose of it is for me to do the plan, but I want to record myself in doing these. I want to record my progress. So I converted those. It was on paper, and they are here. Boom, boom, boom. This one is like I created for a buddy. So what are these? These are day 1s, day 2, day 3. You can create month-like cycles for, or weeks, months, for somebody to start training. If you want this to be on your highest one, if you can click on the edit and you can bookmark it. When you bookmark it, you go to training plans, training cycles. Oh, I wonder if I clicked on this one. Yeah, then that will be on the top one. Let's see if I did. Oh, I did. Cool. Yeah, that would be your top one. You can also create a calendar event where, not every week, where you can create your cycles. Oh, this is something I forgot to do. If you go to settings, go to days to work out, and let's say I work out on Monday. Oh, no. No, that's a bug. Yeah, that's a bug. Darn it, I'll fix that. Okay, edit that part out. Now let's look at it from the Mac perspective. This is how it's working out. Cool, cool.